So today I'm about to show you how to use Claude to create landing pages in WordPress. First, open Claude AI and download the Claude desktop app, which you will need to establish a direct connection to your website. To build your page seamlessly without messing with raw HTML code, use a free integration tool like Novera or an MCP connector on your WordPress dashboard. Once active, go to your Claude desktop settings. Click on connectors and link your WordPress site so the AI can communicate directly with your database. Next, click on Claude Design or open a chat using the Sonnet model to generate your layout. Do not just type, "Make me a landing page." Instead, type a comprehensive design like "Act as an elite UI UX designer. Build a high-converting SaaS landing page. Include a high-impact hero section, a 3-column features grid, a customer testimonial carousel, and a clear call to action button." Claude will instantly render the landing page design live right in front of you. Review the visual preview, and if you want changes like adjusting button sizes or swapping text, simply type your edits in plain English. Pro tip: once your design looks perfect, do not waste hours manually copying individual styles into a page builder like Elementor. Since your workspace is securely linked via your connector, look at the top right-hand corner of Claude interface, click the share button, and select download project as zip. And that's it. That's how to use Claude to create landing pages in WordPress. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.